So as you can see in the background, the Goshen Fire Department has showed up here at the rally, and they're doing something kind of neat. They actually have an RV that they have filled up with some smoke that's non-toxic, and they are able to give you an opportunity to actually go inside an RV, see what it's like when it is smoke filled. Among the other things, they have obviously got the show and tell of the fire trucks, and I think I can get them in the background here. Talking about fire safety, they have one of their lieutenants runs a fire extinguisher company, so he has brought his truck out here and is checking fire extinguishers for all the people that are here and recertifying them as necessary. And he also has some for sale if yours is out of date and doesn't work anymore. And then one of the neatest things that they've got going on here, and I don't know if you can see it in the background there, is they actually have an opportunity for you to actually operate a fire extinguisher, which is something that not a lot of people get to do unless it is in the event of an emergency. So this is a fantastic opportunity. If you ever get to go to a rally, hopefully they'll have somebody like this around, but this is an outstanding job by the Goshen Fire Department.